Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a homemade chicken pizza recipe from scratch without using an oven. So let's get started with the recipe. For the pizza base, let's make the dough first. For that, in a bowl add half cup warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast and give them a mix and keep it to proof for about 10 minutes. Then in a large mixing bowl, add in 1½ cup maida, 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix them well. Then add in the proofed yeast and start mixing everything together to form a nice and sticky dough. Now add in 1 tablespoon oil and apply it to the dough. Cover it and allow it to proof for 1 hour or until doubled in size. And the dough is ready. Now dust your kitchen platform with some maida and place the dough and make 2 equal portions out of it. Then take 1 portion of the dough and make it into round shape and flatten it a bit. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough evenly with a very little pressure. Then use a fork and poke the base in a sequence. Then dust some maida on the base and fold it as shown in the video. This helps to retain the shape of the base. Then using a tissue, grease the pan with oil and place the base over the pan and cook it on low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes and the base is ready. Now for the chicken topping, in a pan add 2 tablespoons oil, 150 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes. Stir and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano and salt. Give them a good mix and cook them for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And the chicken topping for the pizza is ready. Now start assembling the pizza by spreading around 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. For the pizza sauce recipe, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen or click on the link available in the description box below. Then add some mozzarella cheese. You can also use processed cheese, few cubed onion, capsicum and the cooked chicken. And finally a layer of mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. And then cover it with a lid and cook it on low flame till the cheese melts. And the chicken pizza is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.